friends, I have a video for you today that I have not put up in forever. I have not went into Dollar Tree in at least 6 months, maybe even a year. That's crazy to me. I love Dollar Tree. Like, what is wrong with me? But I did go in there because I really wanted to make some Valentine's Day stuff, and I just needed to like bulk up a few things for some DIYs that maybe, hopefully, cross fingers, will get onto my channel. So either way, I've got 4 bags here, and let's jump into the first one that you guys can see. So there's going to be crinkling, but you know, and these are no particular order. I have no idea what I'm going to pull out first. So I just got some chenille stems, 45 of them. I use these for various things for the kids and also to make my deco mesh wreaths. They're the bits that hold the deco mesh. You can use wire, but you know, whatnot. I picked up some floral moss. It's not really a great deal, but I don't need a lot of it, so this is enough. Let's see, what else is in here? Oh, I bought a dress storage bag because I'm going to retrofit this to hold my Christmas wrapping paper because I got a new Christmas tree this year and it takes up my entire storage bin that I used to put everything in. So I needed to come up with a solution. I saw this one somewhere and thought, hey, for $1 I'll give it a try. If it doesn't work, then whatever, right? It was $1. I saw this ribbon and I could not pass it up. It's 3 yards. It's just enough to make a decent little bow. So I thought that was really cute with the red and white. And then, let's see. Oh, I got some stickers. So these are scented stickers. So I've got cupcakes and various little foods. And let's see. Yeah, they're definitely scented. These smell like vanilla. So I thought these could be fun coming up to the holiday. And if you guys like this stuff, get to Dollar Tree quick because nothing hangs around. Like, the girl behind me in line and I were talking about that. If you see it today, don't think it's going to be there tomorrow. So I got their 2 versions of heart picks. I got the 7 large and 9 small because they're really cute and decent quality for what I need them for. So those will be added into some of the DIY stuff. So that was everything in bag number 1. Ooh, okay. The chair is on my pant leg. Bag number 2 has a 4-piece set of floral foam. I prefer this foam to the white foam, and that's just because it's what I use with my mom, and I think to this day still what she uses, and it was $1, so why the heck not, right? Next up, I found some cabbage roses. Now, I am extremely picky about floral. My mom owns a storefront now. It's called Paris and Spring. She's on Etsy. She makes floral arrangements. So from the age of 15, I was taught how to make floral arrangements, and I'm extremely picky about floral, but I also don't want to dump the money that she dumps on floral because, you know, I'm kind of a cheapo, but I want to make pretty things. So these are cabbage roses. So they're tighter and they're shallower, and these are like really good quality. Now the greenery is shiny and crappy, but you can pick up greenery pretty cheap for a good size bundle. So I got 3 stems of red and 3 stems of this creamy white cabbage rose. So those are really pretty and definitely worth the $6 because I'll be able to get my DIYs out of that. And then I couldn't pass up this little guy. Isn't that pretty? It's got pearls and some tinsel, and it is a clip. So I'll just be clipping that into my DIY as well. And then let's see what else we got. Oh, there's more stickers in this bag. You guys know I'm a sticker addict, so I got these like shattered hollow foil ones. I don't know why. I just liked them, so I bought them. Highly reflective. And then this is for one of the DIYs, and they had 2 versions of this. So I'm really, really happy with this. This is like so cute. Let me just put this paper in the trash. So this has like sprinkled burgundy red and white hearts. Now the other version had here, this might make it easier. Nope. So it's a good sized vase or vase, however you want to call it. And this is Greenbrier, but the other one that they have has the word love on it, and then it has just hearts sprinkled around the center of the back, and I wanted something that was consistently covered. So you guys will be seeing this, and this would work great for like a pin holder, like, or a makeup brush holder if you put some of the little plastic bits in the bottom. So if you like hearts, or this is like your motif, you could use it for that. It doesn't have to be for Valentine's Day. So that was bag number 2. Bag number 3 here. Let's see, what do we got? That's it in bag number 3. So you can see here's my receipt. I spent $34, but there are things, there's like 5 or 6 packs of candy for my kids. My daughter bought some puzzles. Yeah, Snickers, cookie dough, Mega Mix, Boston baked beans. And then I bought a piece of foam core board because my daughter's doing lots of puzzles. I'm not thrilled about the color, but it's fine. They didn't have any white. This is a 2 set of this size. Let me get something to compare it to. So this is the larger size. That's a 2-pack of the Sharpie Ultra Fines. These are going in my bathroom, so I'm going to get one of these for my drawer and one for my husband's drawer for, like, I'm thinking mine will probably be for skincare and his will probably be for his shaving stuff. And then I got 2 of these 3-packs, so 1 set for each of our drawers, just so that I can get that more organized, because it's getting out of hand. And we joined Dollar Shave Club, so it's really easy now, and I don't have to worry about getting razors. I totally lost my train of thought. So you guys know every time I go to Dollar Tree, if they have these, I pick them up. It was really hard this time because they had the round and they had a heart-shaped form. The only thing is the heart-shaped form, this is a 14-inch form. The heart shape was 14 inches as well, but when you take in these corners, it gets super tiny. So putting anything on that, it's not going to look like a heart anymore. And then, yeah, so I just left that one. I debated it. So the next thing is this really beautiful love sign. I'd probably say it's about, I don't know, 18 inches. Let's see, I think I have a ruler here. Yeah, I have an Erin Condren ruler here. So let's see here. So that's 9, roughly. So it's probably about 19 inches long. And with the organza ribbon at the top, it gives you an extra 2. This bit here is a little bit of metal. This is made to look like a wood plank. It is press board. So what I'm going to do is probably seal this because it's going to be part of my DIY. I might just not and just hang it in the house, but I loved it so much I had to have it with this like rustic bit here. And that's it. That's all I got for myself. Everything else was for kids or husbands or things like that. So I would love to, haha, no pun intended, continue to do Dollar Tree hauls, but it all just depends on, you know, funds and life and me getting there. So if I can do them, I will. If you guys enjoyed it, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already, and I will talk to you again real soon. Much love to you, and bye for now.